In this video, we'll be taking a look at 7 apps for your iPad that will help you stay productive and get more done as a student. Without wasting any time, let's just get right into it. Alright, so this is something I really wished existed when I was a student myself. Speechify. It's basically a read aloud app. You can listen to your books and notes and research papers as an audiobook. As a student, we have to get a lot of work done in a very less amount of time. In such situations, Speechify can be really useful. You can listen to your books while traveling or while working out. Studying can often be interesting if you could pair it up with something that you enjoy. This app is fairly simple. You can simply add the text you want to listen and it will read it out for you. And not to worry, it does not have that annoying AI voice. You can even have Snoop Dogg as your narrator if you wanted to.
In fact, viruses do not show any molecular movement in them until they infect some cell. And that is partly why there is a controversy about whether they are truly alive or not. Why are molecular movements needed for life?
It gives you various options to choose from. You can change the narration speed as per your liking. This will allow you to finish off your workbooks fast. You can either scan your documents or you can simply upload PDFs as well, and it will read them out for you. It's available everywhere: Windows, Mac, Android, and of course your iPhone. Give this app a try. It will surely help you finish your courses fast and also increase your productivity. And yeah, I almost forgot to introduce myself. Hey guys, my name is Prithviraj. I'm an electronic music producer, a part-time gamer, and I try to make videos. Now let's take a look at some note-taking apps for the iPad. But before that, I would actually like to showcase a whiteboard app for you, as it can really be useful. I recently gave Freeform a try. It's basically the default whiteboard app by Apple, but I wasn't really impressed, and I don't think this app even has palm rejection, as I really faced that issue while zooming. Hence I switched back to this app called Concepts. It simply offers so much more. It's a whiteboard app. It means you have infinite canvas to note down your ideas. This app can be super useful for planning, but I would somewhat use it in a different way. When I was a student, I used to have a notebook where I used to write down random thoughts that popped out in my mind, and most of these thoughts used to be totally irrelevant to what I was studying and used to be a total waste of time. Random thoughts like, who won the last F1 race? What was the name of the song I heard in the bathroom? What's Miss May up to these days? But the thing is that if you don't address all these random thoughts, it will again keep reappearing in your mind again and again and again. Simply write them down here to reflect on it later. Once you are done and when you check them out, you will realize that majority of them didn't need any attention at all. Try it sometime. It can actually be super useful. If you are a creator or you have some sort of side hustle, I recommend that you have one. Then again, this app can be super useful in that matter. Simply free up your mind and note down what your heart desires. This app won't judge you. GoodNotes 6 is next up. It's simply one of the best note-taking apps for the iPad. They just released a new version and have added a whole lot of features that can be really useful. I previously created a video showcasing everything you can do with this app. If you are interested in that, click the I button just right now. GoodNotes has a great writing experience, hence you can take your class notes quite easily over here. This app will surely help you make the most of your Apple Pencil. You can switch between different page layouts and colors as per your liking, and also you can organize your notes into different folders and notebooks. You can choose to organize your notes as per your different subjects in this way. It has a lot of customization options. Hence you can simply make it your own by customizing it a lot. And also you can download different templates from their marketplace. GoodNotes also has a text tab now. You'll be able to type your notes if you wanted to. They also added this segment called interactive exam prep. If you are preparing for SAT or any of the other exams it offers, then this can really come in handy to you. Also, it now has this AI maths assistant feature that can help you solve your math problems. Do give this app a try if you're in the market looking for a handwritten note-taking app. But in case you prefer type-based note-taking apps, then check out Notion. Many of you might actually know about this app. It's simply a beast. Notion is a all-in-one workspace and note-taking app that combines note-taking, database management, and project management into one single platform. You can take notes and organize them based on your different projects, or you can simply scan or take a screenshot of your handwritten notes and store it over here. It actually can act as your storage area for your notes quite nicely. Notion works on a block-based mechanism where every block is a different element. Hence, it's really easy to rearrange your stuff. You can create and manage various tables and databases. It can simply help you manage all your projects all at once, or rather it can help you manage your entire life. I plan on creating a complete beginner's guide for Notion really soon, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will keep bringing you more such videos on productivity and tech. ChatGPT. If you're living under the rock, it's high time you come outside. This can help you so much. I really wish ChatGPT existed when I was a student. It's a total game changer. You can ask it whatever you want. For example, let us ask ChatGPT to explain us the process of photosynthesis, and as you can see, it will generate the answer. You can even ask math problems and equations. This will especially be useful if you have to write an essay or something like that. Simply type this thing, write me an essay on the given topic, and it will do it for you. Or you can simply use it for your creative needs. Like it can help you write lyrics like Katy Perry. The area where ChatGPT lacks as of now, that it only has information up to September 2021. Anything after that is simply unavailable. There is an alternative by Google called Bard. You can use this one on your web browser, and I also recommend that you use Bard as your default search engine rather than Google itself. It will help you get the answer directly without having to browse through thousands of articles and ads just to find out the scientific name of a monkey. Let us talk about task management apps now. Although you can manage your tasks through Notion, but it's not really ideal, and it requires an internet connection even to launch the app. A simple to-do list app is gonna be more ideal for such situations. The one I personally use is called Todoist. You can simply add your task and manage it from here. The thing I like the most about Todoist is that it supports simple language. You can simply type finish your chemistry homework on Saturday 4 PM and it will create a time-based task for you. On top of that, it's really easy to create recurring tasks. For example, you can simply type practice algebra every Tuesday at 10 AM. You can also divide your task into different projects in order to manage them more efficiently. It's a cross-platform app. The desktop variant of this app also makes it super convenient to reschedule tasks. Speaking about managing time and task, I have tried out various apps for time blocking or calendar blocking to fix my schedule. Following a routine is really important as a student if you want to make the most of your time. After trying out hundreds of apps, I'm simply back using the Google Calendar. I often underestimate this app and always look for other options, but then I realized all of them are simply unnecessary. Why do you have to pay for a subscription just to access something basic and simple like a calendar? Hence, I'm simply back using Google Calendar. It's super easy to create time blocks on your calendar, and you can create a routine for yourself. If you haven't tried out the calendar blocking method, then I highly recommend that you give it a try. Do this once. Try planning for your schedule tomorrow. Preferably do this before going to bed tonight. This will surely help as you don't have to waste time thinking about what your next task is, that too in the middle of the day. Give this a try. It will surely be useful. Also, if you would like to see apps for your MacBook that will help you stay productive, then click here. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you there.